All right, guys, so what I'm getting ready to do here is take my StuMac mini router base and my Craftsman Dremel and got it set to the depth that I want, and I'm just going to take out this center piece right here of where the nut should be. So I will put you guys on a time lapse. It'll be a short one, but show you how it's done. All right, so now that I got my nut slot roughed out to basically the final shape, I'm going to go ahead and just take out this last little bit of extra that's in here. And this actually, the bottom of this actually has the same radius as the fretboard. So what I'm doing right now is just knocking off the last little tiny bit of hairs and such that were left by the Dremel. Take a little piece of sandpaper. Just trim the edges a tiny bit there, and we've got a nut slot. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is try and shape this. Normally I would do this with the oscillating belt sander or my drum sander, but I've already got the headstock done, so I'm going to do this by hand with this little thumb plane and some files and some sandpaper, and I'm just gonna shape that. So I'm gonna put you on a time lapse and let you see how that. All right, so I got a little bit more work to do. Kind of used a few tools in the arsenal, including the Dremel, but it's getting pretty close. Just wanted to kind of show you guys how I do things. So, and here's the final result. Got it nice and rounded over, smoothed off. This section is lower than the fretboard now. The slot is radius to match the fretboard, so I will use a radius nut and that I make. I'm still not sure if I'm going to make one out of aluminum or if I'm going to make one out of bone, or what I'm going to do yet. I like to do things a little bit differently, but I think it turned out well. This is a little bit different way that from my norm, but sometimes you got to explore things. So now this fretboard is officially done, besides fretting and finish.